Unit 3, Exam Centre. Presentation Overview. This presentation will cover the following. What is the Exam Centre? Exam Centre facilities. Exam Centre procedures. Exam Centre. All students registered with SAS and have been allocated exam accommodations will be required to write exams at the SAS Exam Centre. The Exam Centre is located at the south end of the McLaughlin Library on the second floor. The Exam Centre has 12 private and 3 small group rooms available for tests and exams. Students writing exams at the SAS Exam Centre must be aware of their responsibilities, as defined by the University undergraduate calendar, as well as their responsibility for writing exams at the SAS Exam Centre. Please see the section in the undergraduate calendar, Final Examinations, Student Responsibilities, for more information. Exam Centre computers have no internet access and as such are considered word processors. A number of computers are equipped with adaptive technology such as ZoomText, JAWS, Kurzweil 3000, Kurzweil 1000, and Dragon Naturally Speaking. Scribes and/or readers are arranged as needed for individual students. Washrooms are located near the Exam Centre. A waiting area includes wardrobes where students can leave coats and personal belongings. Alternate exam locations. Due to space limitations, it may be necessary for you to write at a different location other than the Exam Centre. In this case, you will be notified by email. You are responsible for providing your correct email address to SAS and for reading your email on a regular basis. The SAS Exam Centre follows the undergraduate degree regulations and procedures for examinations as outlined in the undergraduate calendar. Students writing tests or exams at SAS must be aware of their responsibilities. As such, you may be asked for your student ID card before writing your exam. Scheduling exams. There is a $20 fee if you miss a test or exam that you have scheduled. Therefore, please notify SAS Exam Centre as soon as possible to cancel your booking. Scheduling your test or exam. It is important to note that there are 2 specific deadlines that students must be aware of when booking exams with the Exam Centre. They are as follows. Tests. 7 days prior to the test date, or by the 40th class date, whichever comes first. Finals. By the 40th class date. Register early each semester. It is the student's responsibility to register early each semester with SAS. If a student needs to meet with their advisor to register, their appointment must be booked at least 9 days prior to their first test, 2 days for activation of your file plus 7 days for the deadline. Accurate booking. It is the student's responsibility to correctly and accurately book their tests and exams and to keep track of them. Students who do not correctly book their tests or exams may be asked to write with the class. It is the student's responsibility to indicate which of their approved accommodations they need for the exam. Confirm your bookings. The SAS Exam Centre does not contact students to confirm their bookings. When students book online using the SAS test and exam booking site, they will automatically be sent an email verifying their booking. Students may, at any time, go to this site and review their upcoming tests and exams by clicking on My Upcoming Events. Changes to exam format. If the exam format changes after a student has submitted a booking, and this may affect the accommodations they need, please contact the exam office as soon as possible. If you are required to undertake online quizzes, you are still entitled to extra time. Speak directly with your professor to find out if they can provide you with your required accommodations. Changes to the date or time. Unless other arrangements have been made, students should write at SAS at the same time that the class is writing. Alternate times must be approved by your professor. If there has been a change to the exam information that has been provided to the SAS Exam Centre, students must complete an exam change form. This includes dropping a course or deciding to write the test or exam with the class. The exam change form is available from your advisor or SAS Exam Centre and is due in the Exam Centre by the same deadlines as for booking a test and exam. You must obtain both the signature of your professor as well as the exam coordinator's signature. Summary. Book tests 7 days prior to the test date or by the 40th class date, whichever comes first. Book finals by the 40th class date. Students must make sure they book their exams accurately. Students must notify Exam Centre of any changes to their exams. End of presentation.